What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrah and we are back with another protective hairstyle. So today we are doing mini twists, as you guys read from the title, and this hair that we are using today is from QVR Hair, and this is actually Afro Kinky bulk hair, and it's human hair. So this hair that I'm using today for these mini twists is perfect for people who, like, if you even want locks and stuff like that, or you want a style that's gonna last for months and months and months, and you can just keep it up and just treat it like your real hair. This is the hair that you would want to use. But first, before I got started, I was just parting my hair into 3 sections, and this is the little card of the QVR Hair, and I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like when I'm about to start my first twist. And I am using my locking gel, so I like to use that just to perfect my part, and I do like to take out my little baby hairs and stuff that I do want to leave out. I just put a rubber band on those, but I like to kind of mold it, because first what you're going to do is you're going to braid your hair as if you are doing some knotless braids. So we're going to start with our braids first, with our hair first, and I'm going to braid a little bit. And then I am going to add 1 piece of the kinky bulk hair. And then I'm going to add a 2nd piece in as well. So you just need 2 pieces for each part. But when I add the 1st piece in, I braid it a little bit, and then I start twisting, and then I add the 2nd piece. So you guys see the 2 pieces that I'm showing in the screen right now. Those are the amount of pieces that you want to use. And for this style, I did use 5 packs of hair, so 5 should be good enough. But as you guys can see, you want to twist it into the hair, because like you see how it's like a little bit of space right there. Make sure you guys are twisting it into the hair. This is my first twist, like, of me trying it, and I just wanted to show you guys this, because most times I don't show you guys when I'm first starting the style, because it takes me a couple braids to really get used to it, because I've never done this style before. I've never done like knotless mini twists before. So the first braid is always like your twist. Your first twist is always your twist to like get acclimated and like get used to actually doing the whole style. So I just wanted to show you guys like the real of what I be doing. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. This style is so easy. So I'm going to show you a couple more times, and then it's going to be sped up a little bit, but it's basically easy. You want to braid your hair first like I did, add your 1st piece in, braid that, then start twisting, and then add in your secondary piece of hair and just extend the twist. So that's all I'm literally doing in this tutorial the whole entire time. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but I did want to take the time out in the beginning to talk through and actually tell you guys exactly what I'm doing. But that's basically what I'm doing for my whole entire head. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the tutorial, and then I'll come back to give you guys more context on, you know, the other things that I'm doing.
I'm just here to let you know that the boys are back in town, and this will never stop, because cream always rises to the top.
Me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
I told the world, cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. To the roof of the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper, let sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cats have gotta pay the price. They stab my nigga, are we taking lives? I'm trying to buy you some Chanel's, what's your size, yeah. Told my plug I'll buy the bricks, what's the price, yeah. We took the wave to the masses, we felt the wave of pride. I eat that push through your zip, I swear the rhyme is tight. Yeah, I done some wrongs, I ain't make it right. If we say we killed a nigga, then he took a flight. Arguing with bro, he said why you eat a dyke, yeah. 100k off my Nikes, all up for the white, yeah. She stay around the woody like she need a light, yeah. Looking for me in my town, bro, I'm right here.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
Youngers want my spot and couple olders hate me. Cause I ain't getting booed or grey, I'm young and wavy. Broke something I don't wanna ever be. If you don't spend some P, that shit you'll never see. Power of the mind, young black and bust quick with most kids. Wear handcuffs before cufflinks.
Three-piece suit, I look like someone's husband. Don't let the suit fool you, I don't cuff links. Naked white women villa with my niggas. Chatting to this chick like how much was your titties? She's staring at my Cuban jewelry, ain't a biggie. I'm glorious, notorious up in my city. Woolly in the winter cause the streets cold. But I don't roll with sheep, this hair is free goats. Ain't another trio that can test the guys. Them man, they can't even last the test of time.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down. I know you heard the he say and the she say. Heard I keep the sweets on me like it's cheat day. Niggas in Paris, I'm outcast, feel like 3K. Double R whipping on the Champs-Elysees. Just made another milli. Big business, this ain't nothing silly. Sitting front row, got my brothers with me. And when you see a real nigga, better take a picture. Said I ain't a top boy, man, I beg to differ. Taking selfies with my air hostess. Bags checked in, still I can't take no check. I grew up in the trenches, feeling like I'm so blessed. Couldn't walk in my shoes, could never take those steps. Killed the game, lights out, like it's bedtime. Came a long way from the yellow bricks and the petty crime. They said we can't smoke backstage, and I told them take time when you're talking to the headline. Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
This is a public service announcement. I'm just here to let you know that the boys are back in town. And this will never stop, because cream always rises to the top.
Me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
I told the world cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. Took the roof of the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper, let's sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cats have gotta pay the price. They stab my nigga, are we taking lives? I'm trying to buy you some Chanel's, what's your size, yeah? Told my plug I'll buy the bricks, what's the price, yeah? We took the wave to the masses, we felt the wave of pride. I eat that push for your zip house when the bomb is tight. Yeah, I done some wrongs, I ain't make it right. If we say we killed a nigga, then he took a flight. Arguing with bro, he said why you eat a dyke, yeah? 100K off my Nikes, all love for the white, yeah? She stay around the woody like she need a light, yeah? Looking for me in my town, bro, I'm right here.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
Youngers want my spot and couple olders hate me. Cause I ain't getting booed or grey, I'm young and wavy. Broke something I don't wanna ever be. If you don't spend some P, that shit you'll never see. Power in the mind, young black and bust quick with most kids. Wear handcuffs before cufflinks. Three-piece suit, I look like someone's husband. Don't let the suit fool you, I don't cuff links. Naked white women villa with my niggas. Chatting to this chick like how much was your titties? She's staring at my Cuban jewelry, ain't a biggie. I'm glorious, notorious up in my city. Woolly in the winter cause the streets cold. But I don't roll with sheep, this hair is free goats. Ain't another trio that can test the guys. Them man, they can't even last the test of time.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down. I know you heard the he say and the she say. Heard I keep the sweets on me like it's cheat day. Niggas in Paris, I'm outcast, feel like 3K. Double R whipping on the Champs-Elysees. Just made another milli. Big business, this ain't nothing silly. Sitting front row, got my brothers with me. And when you see a real nigga, better take a picture. Said I ain't a top boy, man, I beg to differ. Taking selfies with my air hostess. Bags checked in, still I can't take no check. I grew up in the trenches, feeling like I'm so blessed. Couldn't walk in my shoes, could never take those steps. Killed the game, lights out, like it's bedtime. Came a long way from the yellow bricks and the petty crime. said we can't smoke backstage, and I told them take time when you're talking to the headline. Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
This is a public service announcement. I'm just here to let you know that the boys...
So I am done with the first section, like the front section of my hair. So this is just what everything looks like from the front, and I love that they look very flat, and that's why I wanted to do like the knotless method, so it can look very flat and lay very flat. So I was very satisfied with that, and I love doing the front section of my hair first because it just helps me get like the picture of how I want my style to be. And the back is always like a challenge for me, so I'd rather just do it last than do it first. But for the back, I do have a 3-part mirror that I got off of Amazon, and I will put it in my Amazon storefront so you guys can purchase it if you need to. But this mirror is so much better, and I like using it for parting the back of my head. And I just put it on my bathroom door because, as you guys can see, I'm in the bathroom and not in my beauty room anymore. I typically do the back of my hair in the bathroom so I can see. So I'm using my 3-part mirror, and I'm also using my mirror in my bathroom to kind of guide me through the whole process. But for the back, it's the same thing I did for the front. So I'm just braiding, adding my 2 pieces of hair, and twisting down.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
Youngers want my spot and couple olders hate me. Cause I ain't getting booed or grey, I'm young and wavy. Broke something I don't wanna ever be. If you don't spend some P, that shit you'll never see. Power in the mind, young black and bust quick with most kids. Wear handcuffs before cufflinks. 3-piece suit, I look like someone's husband. Don't let the suit fool you, I don't cufflinks. Naked white women villa with my niggas. Chatting to this chick like how much was your titties. She's staring at my Cuban jewelry, ain't a biggie. Glorious, notorious up in my city. Woolly in the winter, cause the streets cold. But I don't roll with sheep, this hair is free goats. Ain't another trio that can test the guys. Them man, they can't even last the test of time.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down. I know you heard the he say and the she say. Heard I keep the sweets on me like it's cheat day. Niggas in Paris, I'm outcast, feel like 3K. Double R whipping on the Champs-Elysees. Just made another milli. Big business, this ain't nothing silly. Sit in front row, got my brothers with me. And when you see a real nigga,
so now that I'm done with all of the twists, I did want to go ahead and do my baby hairs. Now I just curled my hair with my little pencil curler, and I used some edge control, and I ended up washing my baby hairs and just perming them because I had my baby hairs permed, but they did grow out, and I was like, maybe I could try the edge control. But you guys, the only reason why I perm my baby hairs is because I am allergic to the edge control. Like, I've tried edge control so many times, and when I put it on my head starts itching and I start getting bumps. Like, it's just so bad. But for some reason, the lock-in gel doesn't do anything to my hair when I'm using it for braids, but it's just like edge control. I'm using that gummy edge control. It works so well, you guys. If you guys just use edge control and it doesn't mess with you, I would suggest getting that edge control. I will link it in my Amazon storefront as well. But for me personally, if you guys been watching my videos, y'all know I've been having this problem for a while. So that's why I just perm my baby hairs, but they grew out and I didn't feel like perming them this time, but I did just go ahead and start perming them because like it was just out of control. But this is like the final look of the hair. You don't have to dip these in hot water or anything because this is human hair, like I said before. So all I'm doing is I'm spraying some braid spray on them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some mousse on them as well. And then I am also going to show you guys that you can put heat on this hair. So I did like a little updo, and I wanted to like curl the ends with my wand curler. So I'm going to show you guys me doing that in a second.
past when the family's tight. Yeah, I done some wrongs, I ain't make it right. If we say we killed a nigga, then he took a flight. Arguing with bro, he said, why you eat a dyke, yeah? 100K off my Nikes, all off for the white, yeah. She stay around the woody like she need a light, yeah. Looking for me in my town, bro, I'm right here.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the...
And you guys, this is just me going through, like I said before, with that wand curler, because it's human hair, so it's going to curl up as if you are curling your hair, which is so good for anybody who wants to do this style and keep it in for a very long time, because the like ideas and different stuff you could do with this hair and this style alone is like endless. So I feel like this is a really good, natural, really cute looking style. And now I'm just showing you guys a couple styles that I put the hair in, like some updos, some ponytails, wearing it in the middle, just some different type of styles. And if the hair looks kind of older right here, this was like probably like a week of me having the hair in, so I just wanted to show you guys how everything looks after a week, because like right here my baby hairs are permed, so I went ahead and just broke it on down and permed them. But yeah, you guys, this is such a cute natural hairstyle, and it's perfect for my girls who love to work out all the time and just want like a cute hairstyle that you can do. You can make these longer, or you can wear them a little shorter like I did. But in all in all, I really love this hairstyle, and I really love this bulk hair from QVR Hair. This is like the perfect natural human type hair. Like I said before, you could use this hair for locks and different type of things like that as well. But I really love these twists, and I feel like it was a really, really cute protective style. So make sure you guys check the description box for all the information for QVR Hair, and make sure you guys shop this kinky bulk hair because it is just so bomb. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys comment down below, and I will have all the information pertaining to this style in the description box, so make sure you guys don't forget to check that. And I love you guys so much. Stay blessed, you guys. GI babies, we are out.
Lights out like it's bedtime. Came a long way from the yellow bricks and the petty crime. They said we can't smoke backstage, and I told them take time when you're talking to the headline. Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
This is a public service announcement. I'm just here to let you know